This area here where that swan is out there, again it's all grazing land. You can't even see the posts. And that's where that swan is, around that area. That's where we place tennis balls for these to retrieve. And then the field starts about there, but as you can see, you can't even see a post. So it's pretty deep. It goes for miles. It really does. There you go. You really would think that was the river. If you was not familiar with the area and you're just out on a walk, you'd really think that was some kind of a lake. You really would. Someone's enjoying it. There you go.